How to update your iPhone to iOS 18.3 Beta 2. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through updating your iPhone to latest iOS 18.3 Beta 2. Whether you are curious about new feature or want early access, I've got you covered. Now without further ado, let's get started. But before installing any beta software, it's essential to back up your iPhone. And here is how you can do it. To do that, simply go to the settings. Once you are in the settings, tap on your name. And once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on iCloud. Next, tap on iCloud Backup. And in this section, you simply need to scroll down and tap on Backup Now to ensure your data is safe. This is crucial in case if something goes wrong during the update process. Now, to get iOS 18.3 Beta 2, open your browser and visit beta.apple.com. Sign in with the Apple ID and enroll if you haven't already. Download the beta profile by tapping Download Profile and allowing the prompt. Install the profile by going to the Settings, Profile Download and tapping Install and restarting your iPhone when prompted. Now it's time to update your iPhone to iOS 18.3 Beta 2. To do that, simply open the settings and tap on General. Now in the General section, you simply need to tap on Software Update. And here you can see the option to update. Simply tap on that and enter your passcode and wait for the update to complete. And after the update, your iPhone will restart with iOS 18.3 Beta 2 installed. Now you can explore the latest feature and improvements while helping Apple refine the update. And that's it. Now you will be able to update your iPhone to iOS 18.3 Beta 2. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.